Hey everyone, need a quick way to connect your devices to Wi-Fi without typing a password? That's where WPS come in. Here's how to enable WPS on your Huawei router in just a few steps. WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It lets you connect devices to your router without entering the Wi-Fi password. Instead, you must press a button or use a WPS pin to connect securely. It's useful for smart devices, printers, and Wi-Fi extenders. Most Huawei routers have WPS enabled by default, but if it's not working, follow these steps to turn it on automatically. Find the WPS button on your Huawei router. It's usually on the front side or back side. Press and hold the WPS button for 3 to 5 seconds until the WPS LED starts blinking. On your device, select the WPS option in Wi-Fi settings. Wait a few seconds for the connection to complete. If the WPS button doesn't work, you can enable it through router settings. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.3.1. Log in using your admin username and password. Then navigate to advanced settings, then WLAN settings and WPS settings. Turn on WPS and save it for changes. Restart your router if needed. Now WPS is fully activated and ready to use. And that's it. You have now enabled WPS on your Huawei router. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more tech tips.